Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Santander graduate account. As a recent graduate, managing your finances effectively is crucial, and a graduate account can help you do just that. First, let's understand what a Santander graduate account is. It's a type of bank account designed specifically for graduates, offering benefits such as an interest-free overdraft, low fees, and exclusive rewards. To be eligible, you typically need to have graduated from a university within the last 3 years and have a degree from a recognized institution. To apply for a Santander graduate account, you'll need to provide proof of your graduation, such as a degree certificate or a letter from your university. You can apply online, by phone, or in a branch. The application process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes to complete. Once your account is open, you'll receive a debit card and will be able to access your account online or through the Santander mobile banking app. You can use your debit card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and pay bills. The account also comes with an interest-free overdraft, which can be useful for managing your finances during the transition from university to work. To make the most of your Santander graduate account, it's essential to understand how the overdraft works. The overdraft limit will be agreed upon when you open your account, and you can use it to borrow money when you need it. However, it's crucial to remember that the overdraft is interest-free for a limited time, usually up to 3 years. So make sure you have a plan in place to pay it back. Another key feature of the Santander graduate account is the ability to set up direct debits and standing orders. This can help you manage your regular bills and payments, such as rent, utilities, and loan repayments. You can also set up text alerts to notify you when payments are due or when your account balance is low. In addition to the account's features, Santander also offers a range of benefits and rewards, such as cashback on certain purchases and exclusive discounts on everyday items. To access these rewards, you'll need to log into your account online or through the mobile app and activate the offers you're interested in. To keep your account secure, make sure you keep your debit card and account details safe, and never share your login credentials with anyone. You should also regularly check your account statements and report any suspicious transactions to Santander immediately. In conclusion, a Santander graduate account can be a valuable tool for managing your finances after university. By understanding how the account works, using the overdraft wisely, and taking advantage of the rewards and benefits, you can make the most of this account and set yourself up for financial success. Remember to always keep your account secure and stay on top of your payments to ensure a healthy financial future.